Being a stream winner is far greater achievement than being an universal monarch. Dhammapad 178. The achievement of the fruit of stream winner is the primary stage in the attainment of spiritual success. That state is greater than being an universal monarch or reaching heaven. Then, over the earth, sole sovereignty. Then, going unto heaven. Then, lordship over all the worlds. Better the stream winner's fruit. Dhammapad 178. Pathabya eko rajyeno Sagasya gamoneno ba Sabbo lokadhipachyeno Satapatti phalong barang. Dhammapad 178.